2025 has been absolutely incredible for Dodo Payments. We completely transformed how businesses monetize. Let's dive in. Get this, 47 major releases. We launched publicly, expanded to 220 plus countries with 80 currencies. The numbers are wild, but the features, even better. Check out Sessions API, transformed hosted payments and billing. Usage-based billing lets you monetize based on actual consumption. Adaptive currency automatically shows prices in customers' local currencies. We launched mobile apps for iOS and Android. Multi-brand support lets you manage multiple businesses from one account. Game changers, all of them. For developers, we released 100 plus SDKs, adapters, and integrations. React Native, PHP, Java, Kotlin, you name it. Our MCP server brings AI integration to your workflow. And we rebuilt our webhook system with full management. But here's where it gets really interesting. Sentra, our powerful AI agent for monetization, it integrates billing and payments directly in your IDE, VS Code, Cursor, or Windsurf. Just type what you want. Add usage-based billing with a free trial. Sentra plans it, you approve it, it executes. Turn prompts into production-ready code. The future of development is here. Global expansion was huge. 220 plus countries. UPI and RuPay for India. Payment methods like PayPal, Klarna, Ideal, 14 plus languages on checkout. Then there's BillingSDK, our open source React component library. Ship billing UIs 10 times faster. Beautiful customizable components. Copy, paste, customize, no dependencies. Just pure speed. From inline checkout to customer portal. From AI-powered monetization to global payment coverage. We're not just building the future, we're living it, shipping it, making it real.